Good evening, friends. Welcome to Anmol Mehta Super 20 IS. We are going to talk about the details of the Quality Improvement Program 2021. The program, after seeing such a success, I wanted to share the details. So here are the details. This is for UPSC, HCS, and the competitive exams for 2021, a 30-day solution. So let's look at the details now. So from 22nd of April, we start this program. And in this program, what are the deliverables? The deliverables, as you can see here, we start with environment. These E1, E2, E3, 4 are classes where we'll deliver not only the summarized version of the standard books, but also the 2-year current affairs. We start with environment, we cover it in 4 classes, and then we come to geography. In between the first class, there would be a test of environment, what we have covered earlier. Then we start with geography, and again, summary of the geography standard textbooks and the current affairs for 2 years. Then test of geography along with polity's first class. So then with polity, we again cover the basics and the current, majorly current oriented, and also the important topics of the basics. Then we come down to science. The dates are given mentioned over here. The science classes would cover 4 classes along with the test in the end. And then we move on to economy. Economy has the special section of economic survey, which would be linked to the previous 2 years of survey, not only one, right? And the budget and yearbook as well. Then we move on to culture, also obviously along with economy test. And from culture, testing culture, we move on to modern history, medieval history, ancient, and then the mock tests. Along with this, we will also have 4 current affairs sectional tests. Sectional here means timed, that would be given in 6 months basis. First 6 months, then 6 months, then 6 months and 6 months, 2 years, and then 2-year complete, 2 yearly tests, right? So these are the basic details. Now coming to the fee structure, which many people demanded. So as we always do, we work for benefit of one and all. So for the complete course, which includes notes, which includes tests, which includes current affair tests, we are charging this amount of 11,999. If you want to just buy the notes, then 4,100. The test series is only for 3,600, which includes both the current affair and the static tests. If you just want to have the test PDF, not attempted live in the class, then only 1,100. And if you want only the current affair tests, then 999. So let's join each other. These are the links for your information. You can contact us on the numbers. You can contact us on the email or the Facebook page. So see you soon. It's beginning very soon. It's a ultimate idea for 30 days. And it is a great success idea, great story. So let's start our success together. As together we can and we will. Thank you so much.